Ahí amontona al lado, pues. Que no se congele.
But yeah, it's just snowing. We're just fixed it. I'm gonna go back inside because it's cold. I'm gonna get sick, and my throat's already feeling bad. So yeah, let's go. All right, it's snowing right now, and I just cleaned the steps. she's just throwing ice. He's hanging at me for it. Earlier I was shoveling snow and around the car, and the wife was putting salt. Look. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's what I did right there. Yeah, I'm gonna make something right there for my wife. Alright. So yeah. Alright. I'm gonna make her something. Okay, so I think I'm gonna write something and put 2Y that over that. That and then that. Boom. Wait. Boom. There you go. Okay. Okay. I hope she likes that. Oh god. I'm trying right now, but it's not going good at all. Okay, let's go inside. Basically, what happened? Alright, we're gonna put that over here. We're just gonna shut that door real quick. We're gonna leave it open for just right now. This. Phone is still going. I'm okay with it. I don't care. Whatever. So today's our 2-year, 9-month anniversary. So I just didn't have her. Yeah, 9. I tried. It's just, it's crazy bad. All right. I hope you like it. I tried, but you're in. I don't know. Whatever. I need that.
Oh. 2 years and 9 months. Oh, te vas a enfermar, mi amor. How can I take a picture of this?
Whatever you want to. Oh my god. You want me to take the picture?
Yeah. Está cayendo mucho granizo. Caer.
Sí. You sure? Hi. Back in the house all day yesterday, because it was all day yesterday, and it's cold as bricks. Me and her have. Oh wait, this is not my phone. This is your phone. Yeah. So far we got everything done. Alright. Matching hats. So yeah. There goes Axel and Orange Bradley. So start helping us. Alright, Ellie's out here. Ellie.
Mom, can I race?
Wait. Oh, it's accident. I didn't know. Yes, work, my child, work. All right, you gotta put it right there, like right there. The sidewalk is good. You just gotta continue on all the way over here. Let me be careful. But you're doing good. You're doing good. My wife wanted to do that, so.
More instant.
You don't want to throw it over there? Okay. Yeah. Alright, I'll do this. So yeah, right now I'm just doing this. I'm being sinvergüenza because my wife is shoveling snow and I'm just doing this with the car. So, ¿verdad, mami? Sinvergüenza. Ten cuidado, ten cuidado. Ten cuidado. Alright, he's still shoveling snow.
I almost fell to the snow.
Oh my god, I'm cold. It's cold. Alright, this is everything we got so far. Yeah. Alright, so far we got that done. She's getting that. But yeah. At least we're able to do all this. And I just put it right there at the door. So, alright, as my wife likes to put it, me estoy haciendo un escalado porque ellas están trabajando and I'm not. I'm vlogging. I'm working in another way and they're working in another way. So yeah, it's like the world. Everybody works their own way. And right now I'm working.
Can I go get gloves?
Huh?
Can I go?
Yeah. This is what I get. Probably not see my way. I am. Thank you.
It's very cold.
We did it. But it was cold, but we did it. Yeah, if you want to. Okay, we took down the snow so far. We got it. She did most of the work.
I'm cold.
I'm cool too. Oh wait, let me take this off. There you go. Yeah.
My feet so red, I don't feel anything.
Me neither.
I feel nothing. The only thing I feel is water.
You need to be concerned if you don't feel anything.
I don't feel nothing right now.
I forgot there was trash. And the backyard is full. So yeah. Alright, I'm in a little pathway to the trash can. So yeah, on the steps, make a pathway to the trash can.